Hi guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? I am going to hear myself, and if you can do the same, you can hear me and see me, please let me know in the chat section. Yes, and whenever I'm looking down, it just means I'm looking at your chats. Hi Ritesh Rathod, hello. Hi Santosh Avasthi. Hi Deepak Joshi. Okay everybody, so let's quickly start with our session, shall we? Hello to everybody with us live right now. Hi Mr. Hacker, hello. Yes, Ritesh, Menti hai. Hi Sitika Shinde, hello. We do have Menti, but today this is a 1-hour session. Okay, so we are not only having Menti, but we also have to study a little bit. So hi everybody, I am Bhavana Bisht. This is me live. That's my photo that you see on the other side of the slide. Yes, and let's begin. So today we'll be talking about respiration. Yes, we do have a Menti. Yes, and the code is on the screen, that is 75515963. But we will be studying for a span of, we will be studying respiration for a span of 20 to 30 minutes, and then we will go to Menti. Okay, so we have a Menti quiz of 30 minutes towards the end of the session, that is, you can say at 7 p.m. So 6:30 to 7 we are going to study respiration, and then 30 minutes, that is 7 to 7:30, we are going to have a Menti quiz. Cool? Okay. Hi Deepak Joshi, you can join us at 7. Hi Santosh Avasthi, hello. Everybody understands this? Everybody clear? Okay. Yes. So let's study for a span of 25 minutes, and then we can go to Menti very quickly, shall we? Okay. So when we say about respiration, okay, so respiration में भैया जी होता क्या है? मतलब is it all about? No, it's not a yoga class. But is respiration all about breathing? Is it all about doing breathing exercises? Yes. Respiration also includes breathing. But is it all about breathing? No, no, no. Respiration in our body, when we talk in consideration with our body, it is of two types. That is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay? So, ma'am ji, what is the difference? What is the difference? So in aerobic respiration, we do that respiration in the presence of oxygen, and therefore it is called as aerobic. Okay, but when we talk about anaerobic, it means absence of oxygen, or very little amount of oxygen is present through the respiration. Okay, now what is respiration? Sorry, do we have any other types? That is what we are going to do. Siddhika will have Menti at 7 p.m. As I have told you here, from 6:30 to 7 we are going to study. Okay. Okay. In 9th standard, we have all looked at cells. We have also studied about cell organelles, have we not? Yes, guys, I would request all of you to answer in the chat section, because that is how I can interact with you. Otherwise, I can't see you. I can't even see your faces. Okay? So questions, answers in the chat section. Okay? So now, when we talk about cell organelles, we know there is something called as cytoplasm. We know there is something called as nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane. So what is mitochondria? Like, mitochondria क्यों है हमारी body में? Like, why is it present in the cell? It is very popularly known as something. Can you tell me what? Can you tell me what? Hi Tushar, hi Edwin. We'll be doing quiz at 7 p.m. Yes, hi Suchita Shetty. We'll be doing Menti quiz at 7 p.m. Absolutely correct. Mitochondria is also called as the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because mitochondria is the place where we produce ATP. Absolutely correct. So now ये ATP कैसे आता है? तो ये जो ATP आता है ना, ये आता है ग्लूकोज को पूरी तरह रिस्पायर करके, fully digest the glucose in our cells to give us ATP. Okay, and how that is going to happen is what we will see. Okay, so now respiration means we take glucose. ठीक है, glucose आया किधर से? We just digested our food, and the smallest form of carbohydrate, the simplest form of carbohydrate is, everybody in the chat section, the smallest form of carbohydrate is simplest. Who it is? कौन है? कौन है? Yes, Dharmendra, that is absolutely correct. Everybody who has joined us right now, we will be doing Menti at 7 p.m. ठीक है? तब तक we are going to study. Absolutely. So it is glucose. So then the glucose is transported to all the cells in the body to do a respiration. ठीक है? तो जैसे ही cytoplasm में glucose आता है ना, glucose is a 6 carbon molecule, right? Absolutely, ma'am. Now, in the first step of respiration, it is converted into a 3 carbon molecule called as pyruvate. So we have one glucose, which is 6 carbon in nature. So after the first step of respiration, it gives me pyruvate. How many pyruvate will it give? What is the half of 6? It is 3. So one pyruvate is made up of 3 carbon, and therefore we get 2 pyruvates after respiration. Clear? Hi Nancy, hello. Now we will move on to anaerobic respiration. Aerobic बाद में देखेंगे, ठीक है? So now this pyruvate over here in the cytoplasm only is converted, in the cytoplasm only is converted into ethanol, that is alcohol, and carbon dioxide. ठीक है? The best example is what yeast does during fermentation. Do you like dosa? Hi Vaishali Srivastava, we have Menti at 7 p.m. Do you like dosa, everybody? Dosa, anybody? Dosa, idli, pancakes, or pizza. Do you like all of this? Do you like all of these? Do you like all of this? Yes. So did you know that we use, that bakers and dosa makers use yeast so that it rises, so that it ferments, right? Air is there inside it. So that is anaerobic respiration that is taking place, right? So due to the presence of carbon dioxide, we see it is very fluffy and there is a lot of air, right? कभी डोसा बनते हुए देखा है तो there are so many holes in dosa, right? How did that happen? Because that is the gas escaping. Yes. Similarly, it happens with pizza bread also. Yes. So now we'll move on to aerobic respiration. So अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Pyruvate is formed in the cytoplasm, and anaerobic respiration में ethanol and carbon dioxide is also we get in the cytoplasm only. ठीक है? But now in aerobic respiration, this pyruvate travels to another cell organelle, and that is mitochondria. Okay, so over here in the cytoplasm, I got pyruvate from glucose, and this pyruvate moves on into a mitochondria. Understood? What does it do in the mitochondria, ma'am? So over here, this 3 carbon pyruvate, this 3 carbon pyruvate is broken down. This is now broken down to give you 3 molecules of carbon dioxide. What does it give you? It gives you 3 molecules of carbon dioxide and water. But only carbon dioxide and water? No. Along with it, it gives you a lot of energy in the form of ATP. Clear? Hi, Palak. Yes. Now, how many of you are enjoying an amazing life in quarantine? Are you enjoying an amazing life in quarantine? Yes. Whatever we can't eat from outside, we are making in our house. Are we doing that? We are making cake, we are making pizza, ढोकला, समोसा, मतलब जो बाहर नहीं खा सकते ना वो घर पे बना रहे हैं. Would you agree with me? Yes. Yes. So, would you also agree that we are not doing a lot of exercise because basically we can't go out? Yeah. Yes. So if suddenly you start exercising, do you feel that while you're running, while you're jogging, and all of a sudden in your muscles, you feel that they are paining? Yes, right, while you're jogging and after a very long period of time, right? So why is that so? Why do I feel that there's a cramp in my calf muscles? Why in my skeletal muscles? So that is due to lack of oxygen. Now the cells, when you run, what happens? When you run, what happens? Are you like, no, you're like, it means you are intaking a lot of oxygen at a very fast rate because our body requires it for respiration, right? So now similarly, now the muscle cells in your legs do not get enough of oxygen when you're running after a very long period of time, and they undergo something called almost conditions like anaerobic, where they are not receiving oxygen. Understood? And that is where the pyruvate is then converted into a 3-carbon molecule called as lactic acid. Okay? Okay, so this is another type of anaerobic respiration that takes place in our body. Cool? That happens in the muscle cells. So this is a diagram, a flow chart in your textbook, and I suggest you remember this, because rather than reading all the sentences, right, it is better to just go through this flow chart. You remember it better and you can recall it better. Okay, so glucose hai dekho. Then in the cytoplasm, it is converted into what? Into pyruvate plus energy, right? But then if we have anaerobic respiration, so I will get ethanol, carbon dioxide energy in the cytoplasm itself. But when we talk about aerobic respiration, it will go to mitochondria and give you carbon dioxide, water and energy. And when we have lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, we get lactic acid plus energy. But who gives you the maximum amount of energy? Who gives you the maximum amount of energy? Aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration? What do you think? Very good, Mr. Hacker. Anybody else? Amazing, Siddhika. So the highest amount of air energy that we get is through aerobic respiration. Absolutely correct, Kanishka Bharadwaj. Yes. Okay, but what about respiration in plants? Who plays a very important role? Rajma chawal? Uh, no, but structures like that. And these are what? These are stomata, which play a very important role in respiration in plants. What respiration in plants? They give out oxygen and they take in carbon dioxide. Yes, absolutely correct, Harishka Bharadwaj. Then, what about respiration in our lungs? The one that we do with the help, we call it as breathing. What about that? Yes. Hi, Anu Sharma. Hello. Take everybody with me. Let's do a 30-second of yoga, shall we? Yes. I want you to breathe, sit straight and breathe with me. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Did you do that with me? Come on. Because we also need to relax, right? Yes. So now, ma'am, when you were doing this, did you absorb? We can't observe, obviously, but did you feel your air moving somewhere? Did you feel your chest cavity expanding? Yes. And how did that happen? Why did that happen? Take it. Where do we breathe from? We generally breathe from our nose until unless we are not running. We require a lot of oxygen. Then only we start breathing through our mouth. But we generally breathe from our nose. Right? So from nose, the air. Acha, you tell me, are we only breathing oxygen or are we breathing in air? What do you think? What do you think? Yes, Kanishka. Oxygen or air? come on, oxygen or air? Everybody can answer in the chat section. Very good, Mr. Hacker. It is air. Do you see any kind of filter that is fitted inside our nostrils? ये भैया जी, ये रिक्शा वाला खाली ऑक्सीजन लेके जाएगा lungs तक, है? No, the entire air enters our nasal cavity, and from the nasal cavity, Rishika Sharma, I generally take sessions at 7:15, but the timings might change for the month of June. Okay. Okay. So now the air moves into the nasal cavity. Through the nasal cavity, it moves into the pharynx. It moves. This region you see over here is the pharynx. From the pharynx, it enters the larynx. From the larynx, can you see this structure over here? This amazing pipe-like structure. Yes, this is your trachea. And this trachea then divides into two branch-like structures which are called as bronchi. And then each bronchi enters into one lung, where inside the lung it divides and redivides, divides and redivides, divides and redivides to give you bronchioles, right? At the end of bronchioles, there are fuga-like structures. There are balloon-like structures that we call as alveoli. And the exchange of gases inside our lungs happen in the alveoli. Okay. The tele link should be there in the description box below. Okay. Now this you see over here, this is one alveoli sac. Okay, the balloon-like structure that I just told you. So this is from where the inhaled air goes inside. Inhaled air will have more of amount of oxygen, right? So when it enters the alveoli, that oxygen through diffusion moves into the blood vessel. Okay, but our blood vessels are already carrying deoxygenated blood, right? So what do they give? They give carbon dioxide back into the alveoli. So what happens? Oxygen moves into the blood vessels and carbon dioxide moves into the alveoli to get exhaled. Okay, and this all happens with the process of diffusion. Hi, Flame. Hello. So we are starting with Menti in 5 minutes. So can everybody see over here? I want you to look at this GIF. Everybody? Yes. Now, can you see that this yellow color thing is coming? Yes, and it is given out into the alveoli, and then something which is pink in color is moving out. So pink in color is nothing but carbon dioxide which is going out, and this oxygen is coming inside the body. Okay. Understood? Do we have any doubts in respiration? If we do not have any doubts, we can move. Yes, CO2 is pink. We can move to Menti. चलिए Menti शुरू करते हैं. So we have a Menti quiz now on the same topic that we have just studied. So the Menti code for today is 75515963. Okay. Does everybody know how to move into Menti? If you do not, I'll let you know. Open any browser that you like. Okay, any browser. On the screen it is Chrome, but you can even open Mozilla. You can even open Microsoft Edge, and type in menti.com. What will you type? You will type menti.com, and once you type menti.com, this is the web page that is going to appear. They are going to ask you to enter a code, and this is the code you are going to enter. You are going to enter 75515963. Done? Have you joined? Yes? So let's go there. Let's go to Menti. Seven 5963. Palak, please put the code again. 75515963. Beautiful. Let's make it a big number 20 and then we can begin. We have 19 students with us now. Woohoo! Okay, are we ready to begin the quiz, everybody? Yes, so chaliye, let's begin. The first question is on the screen. Which of these does not come under life processes? Reproduction, nutrition, excretion, or respiration? Something which we don't study in the chapter. I give you a big hint. Everybody has voted and the absolute correct answer is reproduction. Because bhaiya ji, life process mein you're studying about nutrition, na? You're studying about excretion, and right now we studied about respiration. So correct answer is reproduction. Okay? So let's see the first leaderboard for today. And guys, do not forget to please give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you have not, and share this video ताकि तुम्हारे friends भी Menti attend कर सके. Go. So we have Suranjan from Assam giving us the absolute correct answer and the fastest at that. Lalit Kishorji, hi. Palak Verma, Casper, Nicholas, Janvi, Ronald, Mehek, Maverick, and Anshita Gupta are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Next question coming up on the screen. Come on. Exchange of gases takes place mainly through which structure in plants? I see 28 or 30 people on this quiz live right now. Why do I see only 10 likes on the video? Perfect! The correct answer is kidney beans. Not kidney beans, but stomata. 25 if you have answered it absolutely correct. Oi hoi, Harshit. Hi, Harshit. So we have Suranjan, Lalit, Palak, Janvi, Casper, Palak, Mehek, please support Khansor, wo sher hai. Then we have Anshita and Harshit giving us the absolute correct answer, and they are the top 10. Hi, Palak. You have given us the absolute fastest answer. Congratulations. Next question on the screen. Hi, Anshika Singh. Hello. The process of cell respiration is carried out by mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, or none of the above. What do you think? Oh, till now all are A only? Don't worry, it will change soon enough. So the correct answer is mitochondria. Beautiful. 26 of you have answered the absolute correct answer. Everybody who's joining is new. Do not forget to join the Menti quiz using the code 755963. So who do we have here? Lalit Kishore, Palak Verma, Janvi Kasper, Suranjan, Palak, Anshita, Harshit, Nandini and Anshika are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Hi Karthik Singh, I hope you're enjoying the Menti. Part of mouth which prevents the entry of food into the trachea while swallowing it. Swallowing it, and I have not told you the answer to this because I'm very intrigued to know. Absolutely correct. The correct answer is epiglottis. How many of you, while you were talking and you were eating food or drinking water, and all of a sudden you were like, right? So why does that happen? Because the water or the food accidentally enters your air pipe, that is your larynx, which it should not enter, right? So to prevent that, because we are always eating, right, pharynx and larynx are almost the same tube, they bifurcate later on. So to prevent the entry of food and water into the air pipe, there is a flap of muscle that is called as epiglottis. Okay, and so that is why it is advised to not speak and drink or eat simultaneously. Okay, because our body will not understand कि epiglottis को खुला रखना है कि बंद करना है. And अगर वो खुला रह गया तो खाना और पानी वहाँ चले जाएगा, and then we are in a fit of खांसी. We just cough it out. Understood? So we have Lalit, Janvi, Casper, Anshita, Harshit, Nandini, Yashraj, Avasti. Then we have Sher Hai, and then we have Stingalicious and Kashmir. Hi Kashmir, welcome back. And he has given us the fastest answer. Beautiful. Pranam Piyush, hello. तुषार आपने बोला था 7, तो हमने थोड़ा जल्दी शुरू कर दिया because we finished studying. You can still join us. We have just done with 5 questions. The code is 75515963. 75515963. Last 5 seconds. Come on. Absolutely correct. Anaerobic respiration, where you get alcohol, you get carbon dioxide with little less amount of energy. So, hi Kaushik Raj, hello. So we have Lalit Kishore, Janvi, Anshita, Casper, Palak, Kashmir, Neha, Suranjan, Shaurya and Harshit are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Hi Kaushik Raj, good evening. This is the 6th question. It is 7 o'clock and we have new people coming in, guys. Please join us ASAP, that is fast. The code is in the chat box and also it is on the screen. That is 75515963. Okay, let's begin. Moving on to the 6th question out of the 15 questions we'll be doing today. Hi Ritik. I hope you'll enjoy the stream though. How are you doing? Hi Anushka Yadav. How are you guys doing? Exchange of gases in lung alveoli occurs through what? Active transport? Do you require AD for it? Is it passive? It is just happening? Is it simple diffusion? Is it osmosis? What is it? Hi Shahebe Alam. I will tell you how to join just after this quiz, okay? After this question. So the correct answer is simple diffusion. Perfect. So let's see. Oh. Lalit Kishore, Janvi, Casper, Anshita, Kashmir, Palak, Suranjan, Neha, Kanishka, Yash, Raja, Vasi are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Kashmir has again given us the fastest answer. Beautiful. So let me quickly tell you how to join. You have to go to your favorite browser. It can be Google Chrome, it can be Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, whatever you like, or any other browser. So you have to just type in menti.com and ये जो कोड दिख रहा है ना स्क्रीन पे, that is 75515963. आपको ये बॉक्स में टाइप करना है, and as soon as you click on submit, it will be taking you to the quiz directly. Okay. Hi Anushka Yadav. Hello. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Okay, understood, Alam, and everybody who did not know about this. Which of the following is the correct pathway through which air travels in the human respiratory system? Hi, Ritik Balaji. Oh, you should attend my sessions on Unacademy. I am damn sure it will be reversed. Last 5 seconds. Come on, let's crack it. Okay, absolutely correct. So first, the air enters into the nose. Then we have mouth first, na? The pharynx first. Then we have the trachea, that is, and then we have our lungs. Right? Perfect. So the correct answer is B. Let's see the leaderboard. So do you think, do you think कि बहुत सारे changes होने वाले हैं? So we have Lalit, Janvi, Misty, Anshita. Then we have Palak, Kashmir, Neha, Kanishka, Yashaja, Vasti, and Stingalicious. And Janvi has given us the fastest answer. Congratulations, buddy. Hi, Khushvi. Hello. Yeah, this is absolutely something that you have to guess. Like, just guess. Ki in our lungs, how many alveoli do we possess? It was buffering, I think, for a second, then it is back to normal because even I am watching my stream to check the sound because it sometimes goes bad. Khushvi, I just told how to join Menti. Just go to any of your browsers that you like. Go and type menti.com. It is also present on the top of the screen. Just type menti.com, use the code 75515963 and it will take you to the Menti quiz. Okay, and 15 of you guessed it absolutely correct, or you might have known the answer. No wonder. Let's see the leaderboard. कौन है बोलो बोलो बोलो. So we have Lalit, Kishore, Janvi, Kashmir, Mishti, Neha, Anjita, Yashaja, Vasti, Palak, Palak, Suranjan and Nidhi are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Next question on the screen, Which of the following gas is released out during the process of respiration? Guys, it is is it buffering for all of you? Because I can see it clearly. Ma'am, the reason behind buffer and lag is Menti. Oh. Mera net, high energy. The correct answer is carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide is released from the cells, taken into the blood, and then it is taken to the alveoli for oxygenation. Simple? So we have Lalit Kishore, Janvi Kashmir, Mishti, Reha, Anshita, Yashaja Vasi, Palak, Suranjan, and Nidhi Verma are the top 10. And Janvi has again given us the fastest answer. High five, buddy. The trachea divides into two smaller tubes called as what? Bronchi, tracheae, microtracheae, or eustachian tubes. Hi Kushi, welcome to Menti. I hope you enjoy your first experience with Menti. Ritik, are you talking to yourself? Just asking. Absolutely correct. The trachea is one pipe, right? Then it divides into two that enter the two lungs that we have, and those are called as bronchi. Okay. Hi Palak. Obviously, I remember you. That is why I mispronounced your name, and I even said sorry. So we have Lalit Kishore, Janvi Kashmir, Mishti, Neha, Anchita, Yasha Javasti, Palak Suranjan, and Palak Chaudhary are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Oh, I think I mispronounced Palak Verma ka naam. But I remember you, Palak Chaudhary, do not worry. Next question coming up on the screen. Oh, this is interesting. Do you think you'll be able to answer this? You have only 30 seconds though. Hi, Kaushik Raj. Hello. Time is up. And yes, 14 of you have given us the absolute correct answer. Absolutely beautiful. So let's see. So if you saw the diagram very carefully, it showed you the alveoli. Yes, and what happens over there? It is the main site where carbon dioxide and oxygen are exchanged. Yes. Ooh, Janvi. So we have Lalit Janvi, oh, followed by Kashmir Mishti Anshita, who has also given us the fastest answer. Neha Yasha Javasti Palak. Then we have Suranjan and Nidhi Verma are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Hi, Alam. Thank you so much. 12th question, that would make it the third last question for today. Let's go for it, guys. Let's crack it with all that we have. Come on. And lactic acid fermentation occurs where? Ritik, I am in there, and this is what comes out. Meristematic tissues, skeletal muscles, epidermal tissues, or xylem tissues. Where do you think fermentation happens? Epidermal will be only the epidermis. Do you think the lactic acid fermentation happens on the upper part, on just the surface? Absolutely correct. It is the skeletal muscles. The muscles are attached to your skeletal structure. And let's see the leaderboard. Good work, guys. Most of you are giving us a correct answer. Oi hoy, do you think he's going to be replaced? Oh, it happened again today. So we have Kashmir, Lalit, Mishti, Neha, Anshita, Janvi, Yasha, Javasti, Suranjan, Nidhi, and Kanishka are the top 10. And Kanishka have answered the absolutely correct answer, the fastest. Congratulations. Beautiful. Oh no, wait. This is the third last question. Guys, mathematics, guys. Nobody corrected me also. The kind of cellular respiration which occurs in presence of oxygen is anaerobic, aerobic, nitrogenous, or acidic. What do you think? क्या सोचते हैं आप? Last 2 seconds, come on. Absolutely correct, Alam, and absolutely correct. Everybody on the Menti, 21 of you have given us a correct answer. Okay, now is the race to be on the first, because the last 2 questions are going to decide your fate. So we have Kashmir, Lalit, Mishti, Anshita, Neha, Janvi, Asha, Javasti, Suranjan, Nidhi, and Kanishka are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Hi Ritik. To get the notes, you can come to Unacademy app. So there I take free live classes, so you can directly download the PDF there. What is the molecule called that mitochondria produce when they respire glucose? What do you think? Bolo, 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 bolo. No, Ritik, unfortunately. I would love to know. The correct answer is ATP. Absolutely correct. Let's see the second last leaderboard for today. Okay. कांटे की टक्कर चलते हुए between Kashmir and Lalit. But we have Missy, Anshita, Neha, Yasha, Javasi, Vidhi, Suranjan, Kanishka, and Janvi Chaudhary, the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Hi Kaushik, I am born and brought up in Maharashtra and I live in Mumbai. The last question for today, 15 of 15. Are you ready to crack this? Ready? Let's go for it. Chalo, 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 chale. Lactic acid fermentation occurs in our muscles after a workout because our cells are struggling to get what? Not very difficult, a little tricky if it might be, but easy. What? Oh, the correct answer is oxygen, guys. It was a wrong pour, which happened. Let me see if I can correct it, because most of the time students tell me, hey ma'am, we can correct it. Let me just correct it. Oh, I did it. I did it for the first time. Let's see the fastest leaderboard for today. And Kashmir with Rizwan. I hope it is Rizwan, Kashmir ji. And both Lalit and him have given us the fastest answer. But the winner of the finale is Kashmir with Rizwan. And followed by Lalit, very, very, very close behind. Followed by Misty. Then we have Gupta ji, Neha Verma, Yashaja Vasti, Nidhi Suranjan, Kanishka, and Palak Verma have also given the absolute fastest answer to this question. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. In the month of June, I think we'll be starting with the chapter, How Do Organisms Reproduce? Yes, so I'll see you in June. But are we going yet? No. Did you enjoy today's session, everybody? Did you enjoy today's session? All of you? Let me know in the chat section. I would love to hear your point of view. Congratulations, Rizwan bhai, Kashmir ji. Yes. So if you did enjoy and if you did understand, yes, and you can get all of this, yes, you can get all of this on the Unacademy app. So remember, on the Unacademy app, but I'll have to subscribe now. No, you can just join in free classes first, get to know the app, and then you can subscribe. And you can use the code BBLIVE10 where you get a flat 10% off. Yes. I don't only teach what? I don't only teach biology, I teach physics and chemistry as well, right? So, but ma'am, why should I come on Plus? Why should I join an academy? Only because you're there? No, you have other amazing reasons, and one of them is you get to learn from the comfort of your house. Let it be rain, let it be even sunny, or कि तुमको 10 लेयर कपड़े के पहन के बाहर जाना पड़े, but that is not what you will consider yourself with. Why? Because you will learn from the comfort of your house. You have unlimited access to all the courses, top educators, you can decide who you want to learn from, regular doubt solving, exhaustive coverage. Syllabus is covered fully and in detail. Study material is available in the form of PDF, practice tests, mock test series, daily subjective answer writing. Everything happens just to make you the best out there. And we also have batch courses, so many of you can attend and interact with each other and learn together at the same time. Yes. Hi Purple, you all too, Palak Chaudhary. Yes. Thank you, Ritik. Thank you so much. Every Monday, there are amazing batches which launch on Unacademy. So you'll be like, ma'am, udhar to kab ka shuru ho gaya hoga na portion to. Like everybody must have done half of it yet. But don't worry. Why? Because every Monday jab launch hota hai, so you are taken in and then you start with everybody all together. Okay? So you're not left behind. So this June 1 is mega because we have absolute full syllabus for your math, science, SST, English and Hindi, and so you're not left behind at all. You are in the race very much. We also have iconic subscription. Hi Aparajita, hello. Yes. It's all right, Aparajita. So you have your own personal mentor who guides you throughout the year. Your doubts are solved within 24 to 48 hours on a live Discord channel that is just for you. We also have weekly report. So depending upon the tests, the quizzes, the answer writing that you do. So your parents are also updated about your progress every week based on your reports. On the weekly report, you get your own customized special study planner. Yes, plus all the benefits of Plus. ठीक है? But ma'am, अभी हमेशा तो ऐसा नहीं होगा ना कि I can subscribe, I can pay, but can I get more scholarship? Yes, you can, and that is you Unacademy Combat. That is the biggest amazing scholarship test that happens all over India every Sunday. Yes, so no matter where you are, you can give the test. The link is in the description box below. You can enroll now. The registration is absolutely for free. When you register, do not forget to use the code BBLIVE10, and it is happening on this Sunday, that is tomorrow at 11 a.m. for you guys. Okay, so it's not necessary that if you do not come in the top 3, you're not going to get any benefits. The top 3 are going to get 1 year full free subscription, but if you are in the rank 4 to 10, you're getting 75% scholarship. If you come in rank 11 to 50, you get a 50% scholarship, and if you are in the rank from 51 to 300, you get a 25% scholarship. So it's a good deal. Okay, so just fill the form, and if it happens, it's good for you, right? So if you are subscribing or if you're planning to subscribe, no matter what the result of the combat are, so you have some amazing offers. So if you are subscribing for 12 months, you get 2 months over it. So 12 plus 2 is you get a subscription of 14 months when you're only paying after 10% discount for 12 months. Yes. Similarly, if you subscribe for 18, you get 3 months extra. 24, you get 4 months extra. 35, you get an additional 5 months. So it makes you a 41 month. 48, you get 6 months. So basically, it's progressing, right? Similarly, you get The Creative Corner free for 3 months, or if you are subscribing for more than 24 months, then you get it for lifetime. This is a place where you get to learn about the extracurricular activities like doodling, magic tricks, coding, you know, everything that you wanted to learn but you cannot due to the pandemic happening. Yes, so that is available at Creative Corner. And Young Coders subscription is free because the next generation is all about that. So it is absolutely free throughout the lifetime. So do not forget to take benefit of all of this. You know the code. These are the subscription plans, the most sought out one, because this covers your entire year, right? So you're studying, you're doing polls, you're also getting to know, and you're also giving subjective answer writing. So everything is covered in the entire year. And these are the plans for Iconic. Yes, so again, you can use the code BBLIVE to get the 10% discount. Okay? Okay, and I also understand that we always are not in a position to pay all at once, and therefore Unacademy has introduced pay in parts and also EMI option. So this is something that your parents will be more interested to know about. The code is have a referral code, so this is the place where you put the code, that is BBLIVE10 to get 10% discount. So this is pay in parts, and then you also have the EMI system. So over here you can go for debit card EMIs, cardless EMIs, or credit card EMIs, all of it to facilitate you. And if you want to know more about it, download the Unacademy app and talk to the expert. They will guide you. Okay, so we have these amazing things. So do not forget to download the Unacademy app, use the code BBLIVE10. Okay, and do not forget to attend the free live class that I will be taking on Monday on the chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce? Okay, so this is it for today's session, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Do not forget to like this video if you did, and if you enjoyed it, share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do, because it is absolutely for free and you get notified whenever I'm live. So even if you don't know I am coming live or not, you will get the notification and you can come live too. So download the app and let's crack it all together, because we are here and all the features are available to you at your fingertips. Okay, so register yourself for combat, and I will see you in the month of June. Or if you can find me on Unacademy, I'll be taking a session on Monday at 8 p.m. on how do organisms reproduce. So be a part of that. So do not forget to like, share, and if you have any doubts, comment them down below. I will answer. Okay, till then, bye-bye. Stay at home, stay safe, wear mask, hand sanitizers, wash your hands. Just take care of yourself, okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Piyush, for being here, and अपना भी ध्यान रखिएगा. ठीक है? Bye.